Alright, so here is a very interesting pronunciation exercise for today that we're going to look at. How do you say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious backwards? If you've watched the movie, we're going to be looking at how to pronounce this and different ways of pronouncing it. If you've watched the movie, you probably remember that she says you can say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious backwards, but that would be pushing it. That would be that's going a little bit too far, don't you think? That's exactly what you say. You can say it backwards. Now, how do you say this word backwards? There are different ways, different interpretations that people have about how to say it backwards. So there's this one, and that one. So let's have a look. First, if you say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious backwards, you could say you have to take every letter of the word and spell it backwards, which is what I've done here. So you spell it backwards letter by letter, and that gives you this word here, which you have to pronounce as Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So some people say this is how you say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious backwards. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Or you could say you have to say it backwards, but you take every syllable and you spell it backwards, but syllable by syllable, which is this. Shiostolipiaextiligigralicapersu. Alright, so this one is particularly difficult. Shiostolipiaextiligigralipersu. No. Shiostolipiaextiligigralipersu. Okay, so that's how you say it. And then you can say it how she does it in the movie, which is this word here. I'm not entirely sure how she, Mary Poppins, that is, got to this spelling, because it's neither syllable by syllable nor letter by letter, but that's how she says it in the movie. And in the movie, she says it as Docius aliexpitistic. Sorry. Docius aliexpistic fragicalirupus. That's how she pronounces it, more or less, in the movie. Let's learn this one then. Docius aliexpistic fragicalirupus. In one go. Docius aliexpistic fragicalirupus is how she pronounces it in the movie. How to say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious backwards. And now you know. Stay tuned to the channel if you want to have more fun and learn more pronunciations. See you soon. Thanks for watching.